Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Easystub. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in easystub.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Easystub employee login portal. Just type in your company ID within the company ID section and then follow with your employee ID. This is the ID that you have set up while signing up for your employee account in the first place. After entering your employee ID, just type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Easystub employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the help option at the top right corner and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Easystub. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.